Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2012 Ram HD trucks. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturers' safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the bed and clear any lines in the work area. Step 3. Cut off the factory front raised bed mount. If the frame rail where the mount installs needs repair, do so now. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Align the replacement mount using the factory part silhouette for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount and frame support plate in place, then weld all edges fully. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the brake and fuel lines, then reinstall the bed.